Hey, tech lovers! I'm here today to dive into a quick and smart workaround for those of you struggling with factory reset protection, or FRP, on your Motorola devices, specifically the 2024 models. So, what is FRP? It's a security feature designed by Google that prevents unauthorized users from accessing your device after it's been reset. But, what if you're the legit owner and just can't get past this screen? Let's sort this out step by step. First up, ensure your Motorola is fully charged and connected to Wi-Fi. This is crucial because you'll need internet access to complete these steps. Step 1. Begin at the initial setup screen. Select your language and proceed until you hit the FRP screen that asks you for the Google account previously synced with the device. Step 2. Here's where it gets tricky. On the FRP screen, tap the field to enter your email, but instead of typing, press and hold the @ key on your keyboard. This should open a small settings window. Step 3. In this settings menu, go to Help and Feedback. Type in Use Morse code in the Help search bar, and select the first tutorial that appears. Play the video inside the tutorial. This is key because it enables you to access the YouTube app. Step 4. Once on YouTube, navigate out of the tutorial by hitting the back arrow. Now you're technically using the browser within YouTube. Type in Settings in the search bar, and open your device settings from the results. Step 5. In Settings, navigate to Accounts and add a new Google account. This is the account you will use to bypass the FRP. Once added, simply restart your device. And voila! Your Motorola should boot up without asking for the old Google account, and you're all set to use your phone. Remember, this guide is intended to help legitimate owners regain access to their devices. Always ensure that you're respecting privacy and legal boundaries. Stay smart, stay legal. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit like if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.